This is Movie Tone. Lionel Gamlin reporting. The assassination of Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan turned Karachi into a city of mourning. Final tributes were paid by foreign diplomats, by the Governor-General, Khwaja Nazimuddin, now Premier, and members of the government. And, of course, by relatives, including the late Prime Minister's wife and mother. Before the funeral itself, immense numbers of Pakistanis had gathered at the house where the body was lying in state. About 500,000 people are said to have come here to take a last farewell of the leader of their nation and to express their grief. These pictures certainly underline the great loss suffered by the Pakistan people at this critical moment in their country's history.